I mentioned in class that I collect coins and stamps that have to do with space in different ways. I will highlight the stamp collection a little bit later in our semester and hopefully have something for extra credit for you to do. Those of you who are in my 101 class might remember that. But I made a little bit of a video with some of my coins also that I'm going to splice in here just so you can see part of my collection. So without any further ado, let's go see the coins. Here are the dollar coins I mentioned in class. These are part of what are called the American Innovation Series coins. And you can see over here a quarter for size comparison. There are proposed or already minted coins for each state. Each state gets to select a particular item to highlight or particular person, something to do with technological or scientific innovation. The one at the bottom here is the Saturn V rocket, and you can see the word Alabama on it. The next one up here is the Hubble, and you can see the word Maryland on it. And the one up here celebrates the life of Annie Jump Cannon, who is one of the Harvard researchers known as the Harvard calculators, and you can see the word Delaware on it. All of the coins have this same front piece, which is the standing Statue of Liberty. In God We Trust. They're all $1. They're denominated that way. The years and the mint marks are on the rim, on the side. I haven't collected all of them, but I have tried to collect all of the ones that are space-related, and I have some that are uncirculated, as these are, and fairly close to being proof copies. Some of them actually are proof copies, but not the ones that are here. I have this one, which is a proof copy, and you can see how much shinier it is. It's encased in a protective cover, and the blemishes that you see on there are more to do with the cover than they are with the coin. But there you can see the Hubble in quite a much better relief than the other regularly minted coin. These are minted by San Francisco in the proof version that you see here, or by Philadelphia and Denver, as these are. So I just wanted to share these with you. You can buy these on eBay for a few dollars each, depending upon the condition of them. If you get a proof coin, such as this one, sometimes it's $20 to $30. Don't pay any more than $30 for them, because if you are, then you're actually paying too much for them. You can find them for less than that. I also wanted to share with you these coins. The first one here on the bottom I mentioned in class is the John Glenn Research Center commemorative coin. And on the obverse side, it has the NASA logo, and you see the John Glenn Research Center, which is not too far from Cleveland, Ohio. And on the reverse, we have a depiction of John Glenn and a commemoration of his career in space, 1962 to 2012. It's their first American to orbit the Earth, as it says there. He was also a senator, and I got to meet him when he was a senator, and got to meet him again at the John Glenn Center, which was quite fun. This other coin that's at the top here is a coin from Denmark, as you can see. It's got Queen Margaret on the cover. She just stepped down from being queen very recently. On the reverse side there, we have a commemoration for my guy Tycho Brahe, the astronomer with the fake nose that I've highlighted in the history of astronomy. Tycho's supernova, 1572, is a key date in the history of astronomy, and this depicts the location of that up in the Cassiopeia constellation. This is a 20 kroner coin, which is probably worth about $2.50 to $3, depending upon the conversion rates at the time. You wouldn't want to spend this commemorative coin. In fact, none of the coins that I've highlighted today, the other dollar coins here, these coins, well, the commemorative from John Glenn isn't actually legal tender. Or this proof coin, you wouldn't want to try to spend any of those. But they are, apart from the John Glenn coin, they are in fact legal tender. These are $1, and this would be about $2.50 to $3 there. So I wanted to share these coins with you. So this is part of my collection, and I continue to seek out more space-related coins and stamps.